I'm Matt Ellefson, and welcome to Fearless Friday. As a 7-time survivor of stage 4 lung cancer and current patient that's been living with active disease for 8 years now, I can fully relate to why they say you battled cancer. It's not just a physical disease you face, it's the complexity of the disease, juggling all the different doctors, medications, side effects, insurance, and everything else. That's why I created Survive It. Our goal is to address these issues and provide you with hope and resources to get through all of it. Living with cancer is not easy. And throughout my 8 years, I've seen highs and I've seen lows. I've been very close to death, but I've also run a half marathon. Like many of us, I've faced a lot of difficult challenges in the last 8 years, and I'll share with you how I got through those challenges that we all face and provide you with the same tools and knowledge I use to survive cancer. With all of the exciting advances in research and treatment options, cancer patients today have more hope than we've ever had. It truly is an exciting time. But it's absolutely critical that you have access to these advancements and become an active participant in your cancer care. There's so much information that patients need to know, but unfortunately, far too many never find out about. Everyone is different, and if you feel you're not currently doing enough for yourself, I'll share with you what I do and provide you with the resources I've used to take control and begin facing cancer under my terms. At Survive It, it's our goal to provide you with everything you can do to get the momentum back on your side and kick cancer to the curb. Surviving cancer is never easy, and unfortunately, we can't just medicate our way out of it. We may not ever be able to find out why we developed cancer, but we can learn and understand how our body became an environment that supports cancer growth and then make changes to correct that. Making healthy and sustainable lifestyle changes are extremely important in getting on the path to long-term survivorship. I'll share my viewpoint on the 5 pillars of health and why they've been so important in my long-term survival. There are many topics we will cover, such as how to develop a good relationship with your medical team, important questions to ask your oncologist, promoting health by the use of functional medicine and complementary or alternative medicine, what genomic sequencing is, and why it's so important to surviving cancer, what precision medicine is, and why it's the most effective treatment strategy available today. We'll talk about clinical trials and why clinical trials may be your very best treatment option, when and where to seek your best second opinion. We'll also talk about how to effectively face the fears that haunt us all. We'll touch on pain management, stress management, when and why we need supplements, and many more topics. Join us in the coming weeks as we talk about all of this, as well as any other topics you would like us to cover. We want to know what you need. Leave your suggestions in the comments or email our team directly with topics that are important to you. You can send those anytime to info@surviveit.org. If you've been affected by cancer, we want you to know that Survive It is your organization. We were developed by survivors and patients just like you. We're an organization of survivors helping patients, survivors helping survivors, survivors helping caregivers, and caregivers helping caregivers, everyone helping each other. We're all in on this together, and together we will create a world free from the fear of cancer. I'm Matt Ellefson. And until next time, stay strong and live fearless.